Honestly, my car doesn't sound too loud. It's a 1.5 liter, so it's not going to be really loud. But let's get this gym day and POV drive on the go. Shout out my energy drink too. Gotta love C4. But yeah, she sounds amazing. Anyways, this is Blueberry, like I said. Let's get on the road. Alrighty, folks, we're on the way to the gym right now. It's a pretty cold morning, about 59 degrees, but it should be fun. My tires are warmed up just a bit. It's gonna take me maybe like 10 minutes to get to the gym. We're gonna do our first pull today right now in just a little bit. Got a little nice Integra right behind me. Perfect boost weather. I know it's funny to say that because I'm on a stock turbo, and a lot of people always say, you know, you can't be claiming boost season on a stock turbo, but who cares, man? It's about having fun. I definitely have a lot of fun in this car. I love it with all my life. This 6-speed manual is pretty good. I am gonna get a short shifter for myself this Christmas. One of my buddies sent me a, whoa, almost stalled there. Gonna get this Acuity short shifter kit for myself for Christmas. It should be fun. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos on people saying it really helps this car elevate the experience, and what's it called? I want that. There's nothing else I really want out of this car at the moment. I don't want to do anything too crazy, like a bigger turbo. Perhaps a tune. I think a tune would be after the short shifter kit. Possibly flex fuel. My same buddy that sent me the short shifter was trying to get me to get on the flex fuel kit. But I don't know about all that. I still want to stay within warranty protocols. This is my daily driver, so just want to follow that stuff. But at the same time, I still want to have fun. So whatever I'll do, I'll try and stay within the bounds of not voiding my warranty. But you know, this car is pretty loud. It's pretty quiet and loud at the same time. In the cabin, you don't hear too much, but outside, my friends tell me that it's really loud. But I want to hear my own car, you know? I really don't hear it. So I want to get a downpipe. Perhaps that'll help me with, you know, hearing more sound. I'm not sure if it's going to pick up in this video what the car really sounds like. But perhaps in another video when I have someone with me, I can do some flybys or something like that. How and where I'm driving, where I can really take that 5th gear to the triple digits. You see, this car is so fun. I just did a 3rd gear pull that whole time. It's not fast, but it's so fun. And you can get up to speed pretty quickly. And that's what I love about it. Let's downshift here and try and get that nice little sound clip. Starting with deadlifts today. Should be easy. I think I'm doing 5 sets of 10 for 235 pounds. But this is just my warm-up for right now. I've been battling some glute tightness, which is annoying, but luckily my coach has given me some, some stretches that can open up them, and I don't know, but like I said, 5 sets of 10 for 235. We got a bunch of shit after that too. SI. I didn't really record much in the gym just because, honestly, I was trying to just push through my workout, finish it. I just recorded the deadlifts, all the accessory work. I didn't feel like recording it all. It's too much. But I'm gonna go to the grocery store really quick. Again, it's gonna be mostly POV drives the rest of the day. And I hope you guys get to see why this car is really fun. That was a lot of fun. Little, I guess, pool right there, but again, it's LA traffic. You can't really do too much during the day because of how busy the streets are, but it sucks. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really short. I like keeping them short, you know, just straight to the point. I got nothing else to film. It's December, man. Maybe sometime this month I'll go and try and hit up some car meets and show you guys what else there's out there. But for now, we're gonna keep them short and concise, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.